Lizzy, how realistic then are the warnings that there could finally be a slowdown in the UK housing market? This has been flagged before and it hasn't come to fruition.
Exactly, it keeps on coming.
Yeah.
It's both former and current Bank of England policymakers. Last week you had John Cunliffe, the Deputy Governor, saying that he's starting to see straws in the wind of this happening. Well, the RICS survey today might be one of those. Coincidentally, you've also got Boris Johnson speaking today, 1 p.m. London time, on the housing market. Another attempt to show he's moving on, sticking to the agenda post that vote that nearly deposed him on Monday. But he's set to announce more ways to unlock home ownership for first-time buyers, notably demand-side reform. So you have to ask whether that's only going to stoke house price inflation even more.
Yeah, I mean, as you mentioned, it's a very strange time for UK politics. I don't know, maybe that's the word, maybe that's me being really British and kind of passive-aggressive, but yes, it is a strange time. And at that time, you have the OECD, we're hearing there from Laurence Boone, that the UK economy is going to grind to a halt next year. Does this continue to put pressure on politics, perhaps Johnson trying to replace Sunak?
Well, the OECD blames the premature fiscal consolidation in the UK. And yeah, of course it fuels speculation that Sunak will be out, but Johnson's press secretary insists that a reshuffle isn't on the cards. Sunak, of course, has already pledged to cut business taxes in the UK and personal taxes down the line. For me, this harks back to the Bank of England's forecast, which is predicated on the assumption that there'll be no more fiscal support this year. Of course, hopefully there will be. There's an October budget yet to come, so perhaps see this as a worst-case scenario.